trying to get this loot anyway. Hey yo, Queens get the money, long time no cash. I'm caught up in the hustle where the guns go blast. The fool retaliated, so I had to think fast. Pull out my heat first, see, pull out a seat last. Now who the fuck you niggas living to this day? I'm trying to tell these young niggas crime don't pay. They looked at me and said, Queens niggas don't play. Do your thing, I'll do mine, kids stay out of my ways. Type hard trying to survive in New York State, but can't stop till I'm eating off a platinum plate. Po comes around and tries to relocate me. Lock me up forever, but they can't deflate me, cause having cash is highly addictive, especially when you used to having money to live with. I pour a step back, look at my life as a whole. Ain't no love, it seems the devil done stole my soul. I'm out Philadelphia, selfie, P's not helping ya. I'm trying to get this Lexus up, plus the cellular, yo, big noise.
What up, cousin?
I can't cope with all these crab niggas trying to shorten my rope.
Yo, it's the R-A-P-P-E-R-N-O-Y-D. Niggas can't fuck with me. Coming straight out of QB, pushing the infinity. You ask, can I rip it constantly? Mentally, definitely, to the death of me. Come and test me, trust me. Nigga can't touch me if he snuff me, so bust me. You gonna have to, cause I'ma blast you. My lyrical, like a miracle. Ill spiritual, I'm born with it. I'm getting on with it. And I'ma have it till I'm fucking dead and gone with it. Cause I'm a what? Composer hardcore, a lyrical destructor. Don't make me buck ya, cause I'm a wild motherfucker. You know I flow, you know my stilo. Even pack my gap when I go to see my P.O. Jump out my hoopty, pass my gap in my loopty to my shorty. Against my P.O. try to troop me to the alley. I know if I start wildin', flipping on niggas walking around with the nice gold medallions, but she didn't violate me, so I escaped. See, back to Queens, pumping the fiends, making more cream. Know what I mean? I'm a natural born hustler. Won't try to cut ya. Pull out my phone and bust.
There ain't no time for fake jacks. The brothers that fake jacks can lay it on their back. The streets is real, can't roll without steel. I feel how I feel cause I was born to kill. Do what I gotta, to eat a decent meal, brothers to starving. For trying to find a job, son, it's all about robbing. So don't be alarmed when we come through. We supposed to, if you opposed to, get your face blown, dude. Off the map cause I react and check. A brother was a blessing wealth, so I act like that. Drug dealing, only messing shorties that's appealing. I'm frontin' all the world once I start four-wheeling. Cause back on the 41st, I be doing ride. Sippin' in your J, getting bent all night. You who that? I never seen him in my whole life. Step to his business cause it's only right. Po ain't around, so I grab my pound money. Retaliated, so I hit the ground. My life was on the line, gotta hold my projects down. Can't see myself getting bodied by a clown. Ass nigga that ain't even from my town. Hit him up in the chest, now he's laying me down. Jetted up from under the benches, I started hearing sirens. I stopped firing, they cut ash like a diamond. Jetted to the crib piece, what a relief. Stashed the heat, then proceeded to peep out the window, call my son, yo son, we got beef, but no question. Money had a problem, so I solved him.
I got my mind on a stick up, now it's time to get paid. Thinking of ways to take food already made. There's crime in the air, ain't no time to be afraid. Give me yours or get laid. Give up the goods and get sprayed. I got lots of love for my crew, that is. No love for them other crews and rival kids. All them out of town niggas know what time it is. And if they don't, they need to buy a watch, word up. Caught up in the crossfire, get they self hurt up. While I be sipping gin straight in a plastic cup on a park bench on 12th Street. My whole crew's famous. You tried to bust your gat and keep it real, but you nameless. First of all, slow down, you on the wrong route. Let me put you on your feet and show you what's it all about. The street life ain't nothing to play with. No jokes, no games, kid. For years I've been doing the same shit, just drinking liquor, doing bids, extorting crackheads, and sticking up the stick-up kids. Stick-up kids.